Welcome to Aromatic Bangladeshi Kitchen. I'm Parveen Chowdhury. Today I am going to cook a different dish. This is called Bitter Melon. You can get it all in Asian supermarket or market basket if you go to the Asian aisle. This is very healthy. It's a fruit, so kind of squash type of fruit. So we are going to cook this with potatoes, so it kills a little bit of bitter, so you don't have to it don't taste too much bitter. Let me introduce the spice what I'm going to use. Very easy and simple. Just salt for taste and little turmeric powder and green chili and some this is mint. That's all I'm going to use, and then bitter melon and some potatoes and onions. That's all I have, and oil, of course. So I am going to start heating up the oil. So I'll put the oil a little bit there because my stove is low. I'm gonna just cut it, then start cooking it. So first I'm gonna cut the onion. The whole reason I didn't cut it today, so you can see what I'm cooking, because this is very rare. Not so many people knows how to cook this. So, and that's why I want to show how to cut it also. So let me just cut my onion. Okay, so my onion is chopped. I will put it on the side. So I got one onion, which is good. Now I'm going to cut one of my bitter melon. So this is how you cut it. I just want to show you how to cut it. You take this part off, take this part off, then you cut in the middle, and then a lot of people, then you make it on the side. So a lot of people throw the seeds, but I am going to keep the seeds. I like the seeds when it's give you a crunchy. So then you just cut them like this. That's it. Okay, so let me heat up a little bit of my, and then I'm gonna put the onion back in the oil while it's heating up. All right, so now while I'm heating up my onions, I'll leave it there while it's heating up. I'm gonna start cutting this bitter melon. So this is also very good for controlling your blood sugar. A lot of people takes the medicine from losing your weight and control your blood sugar. There's a medicine, you can get it from Amazon and other places for these fruits. Okay, so one of them is cut. You want to cut it as tiny you can. All right, so one is done. I'm gonna do my other one. So like I said, you cut in the middle, then you cut in here. If you don't like seeds, you can take it off, but I cooked with the seeds. It's tasty. Okay, so that's good. I just cooked, put like this size one onion. Now I'm gonna put little salt. You wanna put the salt first so it goes inside the bitter melon. Okay, then I'm gonna put this is a half tablespoon, so maybe half tablespoon is good. This is a turmeric powder. That's it. Then and then you want to put some, if you don't like spice, you don't have to put it on, you don't have to use the chili, but I like little spice on there, otherwise it makes little more flavor on it. So okay. And also you want to, when you're cooking it, you just want to no cover, because if you put cover, it's going to be water going to come out from the bitter and it's not going to be. So let me put more. While that cooking, I can cut this one and put it in. See how, so look at inside. It's really really like old one, not really baby one. So that's why the seeds are like kind of reddish. Okay. And then potatoes, if you want to put it in potatoes, it's fine. If it's not, you don't have to, but I always want to put potatoes so it's less bitter on this. In Bangladesh, we use this so much because over there people use this for medicine to control your blood sugar and losing weight. And also, it also helps if people have cancer. Also, you want to cook it on high heat so it gets dry quicker. All right. I'm going to put a little more of salt. I feel like it needs a little more salt because I add extra potatoes in it. All right, I'll let it cook for a little bit because it needs to be like take the water suck in it and it get a little drier. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna just clean up this. I'll be right back. So I am back. In the middle, I came like I cooked it like couple times like this and like turn it like upside and make sure it's get more dry in there. So you have to keep cooking till it's done. Like you'll know when it's gonna be more drier. And then let me just put the mint in there. This is the fresh mint from my garden, so you can use cilantro too. Now I'm gonna cook it a little bit in lower heat, so because the water already sucked in, so now it's gonna just cook a little more the potato and gets the bitter inside of the potato. So when you're eating, you don't get too much bitter, but you'll be a lot of bitter on there when you're trying, you'll see. But very healthy, and in Bangladesh we use with rice this, we call vegetable, but here it's saying it's fruits, but it's we use as a vegetable in Bangladesh. With the rice and lentil soup, we eat it most of the time. A lot of people use shrimp also to give flavor, but sometimes I cook it with the shrimp, sometimes I just fry it with the potatoes. A lot of people use with the dal, like Ninton, they cook it. So everybody have different way to cook this dish. Look like it's done. Yep, look like it's done. It's going to be in Bangladesh, I don't know if I said, it's called Tita Korola. So Tita Korola with aloo. We said in Bangladesh, Tita Korola Vhaji with aloo. This is my grandpa used to use a lot because he used to have diabetes. So I used to grow up watching him growing up, eating every day this dish. So it's done. Now it's ready to serve, and I'm gonna put it on my plate. So I probably have this. I'll take it. So my Tita Korola Vhaji is ready to serve. In English we say Bitter Melon, but in Bangladesh we say Tita Korola or Aloo Bhaji. So I put some rice. You can try with rice. Thank you for watching Aromatic Bangladeshi Kitchen. I want you to try this dish at home. And Acton TV, thank you so much for recording my show.